welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a chill vlog. Now I am always so productive that you always think that I am productive all the time, which is not true. Like any other person, I also have like rest days where I'm not productive at all. So let's start out with the things that I got from Amazon. So this is the first package. So the very first thing that I got is this. This is the L'Oreal Professional Serum. Now I was out of this, or mine broke, so I got a new one. It's going to be a storm right now. So the next thing that I got is this shampoo. This is the one that I got. I was out of it, so I got another one. Moving on to the next package. I got the mask as well because I was out of it. Now it's so good, I'm not even kidding. So firstly L'Oreal sent it to me and then I repurchased it because I love it so much. And lastly, I got a hair curler. Now I did not have a curling wand, so you know my hair are already straight, so I thought like let's curl my hair a little bit. So this is what it looks like. It's amazing, it works really well, and it has got like this turning on button. It's by Havells. That was the haul. I'll link all of the products down in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out, and thanks to my haul store for helping me get these. It's going to be a storm right now. The weather is beautiful out here, but looks like that it's going to rain. It's really beautiful. Guys, it's raining. So guys, it is raining. As you can see, there's a little bit of rain. So I made an effort to make the rain like visible. So yep, it's raining. This is the picture that I'm going to draw because it's so big enough friendly. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, I made this painting. I've at least tried. So it's smudged a little bit from here, but otherwise I guess it's pretty decent. And maybe I'll hang this up for my desk makeover video. Let's see. So no one asked for this, but it was June and it was Pride Month. But also like there were two of my favorite series which like new seasons of which just came out. So one was Elite. I love Elite and Aaron Omar. Yes, I like this season was not that good of Elite as compared to the like other seasons obviously, but I guess it was decent, and we got like Manodigo's too, so which is amazing. But his character was very bland. I love Aaron Omar, so I'm happy with the series, I mean, as far as that concerns me. Next series that I watched this season was Love Victor, which is such an amazing series, and if you haven't watched it, then I highly recommend you get the subscription of Hulu and watch that series because it is so good, and I just cannot tell you, the series is so good, and it's like very like coming of age story, so I highly recommend you to check that one out too. If you want to watch some movies, then I also watched like Luca by Pixar. It was so good. It was like a coming of age story. It was very very good. I really enjoyed it and just made me fall in love with Italy. So you can watch that. It's on Disney Plus Hotstar. So yep. And if you're a little adult and you like little bit of crime and stuff, then Lupin is the series that I watched. Like, it's Lupin, but in French it is called Lupin. So that one you can watch. It's on Netflix. So my recommendations, let me know if I should do them like every month, because I love like movies and series and everything, and I'm a very big movie buff. I love everything related to that, so let me know. I love when it like just the rays fall onto the leaves. There's so many planes. There's one flying from France, and it flies like every week to give the supplies for coronavirus. Guys, here are my noodles, and I'll eat them with chopsticks. Yes, I have been practicing, but I haven't been able to get any better. Let's see if I do any better. My ramen noodles. So guys, now it's getting a little late, and I thought this would be a good time to end this vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and follow me on my Instagram, Twitter. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.